it.
You can do it. There you go. Now do the next one. Leave it. You can leave it closed. Hold your handle.
Let's open. Open this time.
Good, Daddy.
Let's draw some.
Yeah, just a little bit. Hey, Mo, who gave you that blender? Do you remember?
Boba.
Boba.
After my party.
That's right.
You love
That other dog just don't want.
Boba, Daisy.
You say I love you, Boba?
I love you, Boba.
I miss you.
I miss you.
You say, I love you, Dushan?
I love you, Dusha.
I miss you?
I miss you.
We have lots of fun, though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's looking after you now, Molly?
Boba.
Who's looking after you during the day? When Boba's with Isadora? Uncle? Good job.
Wow, that's a really good job. We're going to send this video to Boba and Dushan and Isadora so they can see you. Wow, Molly. This is going to be delicious. Look at that face. Look at that concentration. That's my pal.
There. Now, I make. There. See?
Good job, pal.
Do some. Take some. I want some more in there.
Okay, can you blow a kiss to Boba and Dushan?
Yeah.